Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Marshall Motif 2 active noise cancelling earbuds and you need to do a full factory reset on these earbuds back to the way they were when they came out of the box. This will delete all of the pairing history off of them. This will restore all the settings to their factory defaults. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to your phone or they're not pairing with with Bluetooth or something like that, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or only getting sound out of the right ear, a factory reset will fix a lot of these issues. Now, the second reason you might want to do this is just kind of any situation where you want to delete all the pairing history, wipe everything off of it so that you can set these up basically like they're new. Because we're going to do this, the first thing to do is to just go on any devices you've had them paired with in the past and have them forget this device because we're going to set them up new. Then we're going to just have the earbuds in the case with the lid open as shown here. And we're just going to come in and press and hold the button on the front of the case for 10 seconds. Basically we're going to hold it until the LED on the front of the case turns purple, and that's indicating that the reset has been completed. We can let go, and then we can go ahead and go through the process of pairing these as a brand new set of earbuds. So anyways, if this helped, if this worked for you, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.